Hello, this is going to be a very funny video because I'm not a math person, but No Futuristic made this spreadsheet and tried to explain it to me, and we literally talked for an hour, me trying to figure this shit out. And I'm going to explain it to you from layperson to layperson, okay? So I just bought my Axolotl, right? This was the price in ETH, 0.219. So we got the gas price from going into the MetaMask in the activities. It tells you, exactly how much you paid in gas in money, dollars, and also in Ethereum. So then we added that together, and that's the cost basis of your investment. When I already showed this before on my Twitter, where like every time you sell a piece, it has a certain selling fee. Okay. You figure that out when you press sell, it tells you the fee. But then you have to convert your selling fee into Ethereum. So the way that you do that is you're going to take your cost basis of investment, which is 0.231386, multiply it by the selling fee percentage. And at first I was fucking up. All you're going to do, move over the decimal point a couple places, and it's going to turn into 0.075. You multiply those two, okay? This is not 7.5. It turns into 0.075. Multiply that with this, and you get this, 0.01735. So that's the selling price, which is the percentage converted into ETH. Now you're going to add this, and you're going to arrive at your minimum selling price. So I bought my Axolotl. Hold on. I bought my Axolotl for 0.219. It has to reach a minimum of 0.248739995 for me to cover the selling fee, gas price, and also included in here has to be the gas fee. Okay? Add this to this. That is your minimum selling price. Now, let's say Axolotls keeps going, and let's say the price is 0.3. It's way past my minimum selling price, so now I'm ready to sell. So how do I figure out? So now I'm actually working with the fee percentage. Here I was just kind of using it to come up with a mock. So the price to potentially sell is 0.3, and my selling fee is 7.5%. So what you do now is you take your potential sell fee, which is 0.3, multiply it by 0.075, and you will get 0.0225. This is the potential fee in ETH. Then you're going to take your minimum sell price and you're going to subtract the fee in ETH. So 0.3 minus 0.0225 equals the actual proceeds from the sale, 0.2775. This is an ETH, okay? This is all in ETH. Then you're going to take your actual proceeds from the sale, 0.2775, minus your cost of investment, 0.231386, and you are going to get 0.046114. In order to turn this into a percentage, come on, brain, don't fail me. Don't fail me now. What do I do? What's the last step? Hold on, let me check my pieces of paper. Oh, I got it. So this is in ETH. It's the difference between the actual proceeds of the sale in ETH and minus subtract. This is this minus this. Okay? Now to get the percentage of how much we actually made percentage-wise, we are going to take this number, 0.046114, and divide by this, the cost basis. Divide by 0.231386 equals, and you're going to get 0.1992. And because it turns into a percentage, you have to move the decimal place over 2 places, and that's how you get 19%. So before, I was in the dark. I had no idea what I was doing. I was miscalculating my trades. And he set up a beautiful spreadsheet because he has a very mathematical brain. And I have a brain that's full of swirls and colors and ponies and rainbows. And I can't do this shit. But, okay, he laid it out very cool. And I'm going to be referencing this video whenever the fuck I forget, which is probably going to be tomorrow. So I hope this helps you in figuring out how the hell to calculate when the fuck you're supposed to sell your NFT for a profit, okay? I'm having his Twitter in the description. Give him a shout out and tell him thank you. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment and have a good day. Bye.